Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to create task templates in Asana, your ultimate guide for 2025. First up, log into your Asana account. Easy, right? But it's crucial because you can't create task templates without access to your workspace. Now that we're logged in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on the Templates tab. This is where all your magic happens. It's like your personal digital assistant, helping you automate regular tasks. Next up, select New Template. This option is a time saver, enabling you to create a task template from scratch or adapt an existing one to your needs. Once you've done that, let's move on to the exciting part. It's time to customize your template. Add tasks, assignees, due dates, and other relevant details. The reason we do this is to make our work faster and more efficient in the future. With all those details set up, all you'll need to do is click and go. Now comes the final step. Click Save as Template. This button is your best friend. It locks in all your hard work, making your customized task template ready to use anytime. And that's it. You've just created a task template in Asana, transforming the way you manage your tasks. Remember, the more you utilize templates, the more time you save, and the more efficient your workflow becomes. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep making your work easier and smarter with Asana.